guys, so in this tutorial I just want to quickly jump into this function called MINIFS and also MAXIFS. Alright, so this is the two function was added recently into Excel, not exactly recently, but I think is a year ago. Okay, so this MINIFS and MAXIFS was one of the functions in this statistic A category. So previously, if you have heard of SUMIFS, if you have heard of COUNTIFS, if you have heard of AVERAGEIFS, then you always feel like, but where is this MINIFS and MAXIFS? MINIFS means that you're trying to look for the most minimum number based on the criteria. MAXIFS, which means that you're trying to look for the highest number based on criteria. So let's jump into my report. Now right now in this my worksheet right here, I have a category of products and their brand name, and then it comes a lot of pricings right here. So I just want to look for, as according to this criteria, diet soda, what will be the pricing. So as when I equal and look for this MINIFS, okay, because I'm trying to search for the lowest price. So MINIFS immediately comes in and they will be asking what will be the range that you're trying to analyze as the minimum, of course the price. So I've given my table name called product. As I say, please go to the price column and evaluate the lowest number from the price. Number 2, they'll be asking if based on your criteria diet soda, could you please provide us the range of where we can search for this diet soda. Same thing, it will be in this product table, and within my category column, this is where you look for your diet soda. Alright, so once you've done and hit enter, so they say that based on category of this diet soda, the price is $1.31, but I would like to know which brand does it comes from. So in fact, I'll be using this function called filter, because there could be a couple of brands who is providing the same price, which is $1.31. So I say that please, I would like to look for the brand name, which is my product and my brand name, and please evaluate the price. Okay, so which is my product table, and the price is any one of them as equivalence to my cell G3, which is the price, or if there's nothing matched, just give me empty. And when I hit enter, that they say that there's only the excellent brand, which is giving us this price of $1.31, and let's see whether that's correct. So as according to this diet soda category, the lowest price is $1.31. Let's say organic brand decided to change the price to $1.31. As when you hit enter, the filter will immediately brings out this price of whichever brand that is pricing as $1.31. That is to look for your MINIFS. Okay, MAXIFS. Alright, so as according to this MAXIFS right here, I would like to look for the highest price based on the category diet soda. As when I come here, I just have to MAXIFS. Please evaluate my product table, price, and then please evaluate my product category column, and this criteria becoming my diet soda. As when I hit enter, this is the highest price that's ever offered. And if I were to use filter, because I get curious, I want to know what brand is that. So as when I go for this filter, the array of which that I look for is gonna be the brand name, and please make sure that the price, okay, the price is equivalent to my cell G7. Other than that, if there's no match, just return empty. As when I hit enter, so they say that the diet soda brand, okay, in the diet soda category, the highest price that's ever offered is $3.67, and the brand is called Skinner. Okay, so let's say I were to change this Washington and Fabulous to the same price as Skinner, as when I hit enter, you can see that the filter would immediately just pops out and say, okay, so there's 3 brands that offer $3.67, which is these 3 brands here. Okay, so guys, I hope that you had fun learning how we use these MINIFS and MAXIFS. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.